You can find a link to this product in the video description below.
Don't sleep.
Hi guys, it's Brittany and I'm so excited to tell you about Zenovika's new amazing water-based face paint kit. It is designed in the USA for both kids and adults. It has 15 bright and vibrant colors so you can paint whatever you would like. I recently bought this kit for my daughter and she absolutely loves it. It is great for holidays like Halloween, carnivals, school events, and any other fun gatherings. Now, if you're anything like me, you might be a little bit curious about the things you put on your face. Well, don't worry because this product is totally safe. It will not cause any irritation or blemishes. Now, you can trust this product because it is made with cosmetic-grade ingredients. It is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, and fragrance-free. It's got 30 different stencils for you to choose from, 2 brushes, 2 sponges, 2 glitters, and 2 chalk hair colors, which I personally love. I love this product even more because it is so easy to apply. You just simply mix a few drops of water to the paint and begin painting. And what's even better is that the paint applies so easily to your face so you can get any desired fun look that you want. The paint also dries fairly quickly so you don't have to worry about getting a runny mess on your face at all. Now washing it off is just as easy. Just use a little soap, a little water, and voila, it is gone.